It is said that one who is attracted by the beauty of Radha Krishna cannot be attracted by the false beauty of this material world. On this note, guys, welcome back. This is Anupama and you're watching Sai's Craft Studio. How are you guys? I hope you are doing good. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the making of this beautiful artwork of Radha Krishna, which is a mix of decoupage and clay work. So let's get started. For that, if you're new to my channel and if you're watching this for the first time, please do consider subscribing and make sure that you hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So to start this project, I'm using this canvas board and this filament paper to decoupage. And I got this paper from Itsy Bitsy. I'll be sharing you the link in the description box. You can check over there. So I want to fix this filament paper to one side and you can see there is a gap on the canvas board. And this I'll be filling it with olive green color to match with the filament paper or decoupage sheet. So start painting the excess part which is not covered by the filament paper. So now we are done with the painting part on the sides and let it dry for 15 minutes. After that I am using decoupage glue to stick the filament paper, and if you are not having decoupage glue, even you can use any white glue. Just mix little bit of water, 2 to 3 drops, to make the consistency thin. And now start applying this on the board. And now carefully place the filament paper over the canvas board. Check all the edges and carefully press the paper over the canvas in one direction to avoid wrinkles. Now apply glue on the rest of the portion. And then stick the paper over it. Carefully press it to avoid wrinkles. And allow it to dry completely before moving to the next step. So now let's start doing the clay work. Apply glue. And now take enough amount of clay and start forming a tree shape. Start placing the side branches as well. Now start merging the side branches. And now use your fingers to make the surface smooth. And now start forming bark on the trees. Just you can use any clay tool or you can even use a scale to do this. Now take some more clay and roll it. And now I'm using this leaf cutter to form some leaves. And guys, if you don't have this type of cutters, you can even simply make them with the help of spoon. Just take some clay, roll it in the form of a cone shape, then press it with the help of spoon. And finally give impressions on leaf with a scale or any other thing. And that's it guys, your leaf is done. Now start sticking them all around to cover the complete top portion. While sticking the leaves, you can slightly bend the leaf upwards, or even you can give them a twist to get a 3D effect. So now we are done with the sticking part of the leaves. Now let's start making some flowers. So again take some more clay, roll it, and again I'm using this flower cutter to make small flowers. So make enough of flowers to cover the tree. Again the same process, apply some glue and start sticking the flowers on the tree. And here you can see I'm sticking few flowers and leaves on the bottom as well. Now allow the clay to dry completely and then start coloring part. For the tree I am using burnt umber color. And for the leaves I am using the same olive green color to match the background. And now I am using white for the flowers. You can choose any color of your choice. And now I am using this pink for the center portion of the flower. And lastly yellow on top of pink, just a small dot. So now we are almost done, guys. And last and important step, just to seal your project, apply any good varnish. I am using the Decor Varnish by Itsy Bitsy, the glossy version. Just apply 2 coats of it. And let it dry. That's it, guys. Your beautiful Radha Krishna wallet is ready. And see how lovely it is, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video. So please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.